Hello. In this tutorial, I will discuss some key considerations when modelling condenser loops. I will show you how to add a condenser loop, and then review the edit dialogs for the loop and the system components. There are water-cooled chiller HVAC templates available in Designbuilder, and they can be used as provided.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.